Okay, when I look at this electricity, I'm looking at peak and off-peak. And off-peak is, they say peak is during the day, so they charge businesses more because they're running during the day, and off-peak is of an afternoon or an evening. Off-peak is between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. That's why a lot of dishwashers and washing machines have a timer button that allows them to come on during that time. It says calculate the cost of using household domestic usage of 835 kilowatts at 29 cents, and it's really written bad. It's 29500 kilowatts for 835 kilowatts, and they used 695 for off-peak. So they've used 835 for peak and 695 for off-peak. So if you work those out and sum them, you'll get the bill. I'll do that. And I get $318.16 when I round appropriately. Okay, energy consumption. A kilowatt hour is the amount of kilowatts used per hour. So how much energy is used if there's a 75 watt desk lamp on for 4 hours? 75 times 4 is 300 kilowatt hours. That's how we write it. The running cost is how much we use times the electricity cost. Eddie takes 70 minutes per week to vacuum his floor, and he uses an 18 watt vacuum cleaner that costs electricity at that. So he used 1800 watts for 70 out of 60, that's minutes in hours, at 0.220500. That will give me how much per week, but let's not forget the question asked per year, so I'm going to have to times that by 52 to get how much per year. Okay, and I get this number, $24078.60, and I think, holy dooly, $24,000 to run a vacuum cleaner. And I reassess what I've done in the question. What I've actually forgotten to do is it says here kilowatts, and here is watts. So my question should have been 1.8. So I need to divide this by 1,000 to get to adjust that. So it's actually $24, which is much better. Household appliances now display an energy rating label, which helps people choose the energy efficient appliances. 6 stars is the most efficient, up to 10 stars. The label shows the estimated power in kilowatt hours the appliance will use, and the stickers are very, very hard to get off and very ugly in your house. But that's aside. Calculate the lifetime running cost for television, assuming the television lasts for 10 years and costs 28 cents per kilowatt. Let's look at the first one. It's a 5-star, and it's 325 kilowatt hours per year for 10 years at 28 cents. And B, 370 per year for 10 years at 28 cents. I'll do that offline. So the first one's $910 and the second one's $1,036. So it's obviously more. It mightn't look much more, but in the end, it's $80 over 5 years. 10 years, sorry.